How we can send the money from the GCash to the PayPal account. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how we can do this easily. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to open up your GCash application, and from here you have to go in the view all services. From here you just have to scroll down and go in the others option of the cash in. So once you are in the caching, from here you just have to scroll down, and here is the recent partners of the PayPal. You just have to go in the verify now, and from here you have to verify your account and go in the get started. And after the verification, once you are logged in into your account, you have to just tell about yourself and add a little bit information that they ask. And once you give all of your information and all of the details has been done, so you just have to go in the PayPal and enter the amount that you want to withdraw from your PayPal account to the GCash. And from there you are able to withdraw all of your amount that you want to do. And this is how you can transfer the money from your GCash to your PayPal account. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.